Hello everyone, this is UNV Intercom which have issue of hanging. New device you will find it's hanging. Even if I make a ring, it will not get any ring or ring call. You will hear the ringtone but the screen will hang. For this you need to do software update. So for that use EZ tool, which is PC software. After you install PC software EZ tool, login. After login you go to upgrade menu and then select online upgrade. Then you will find it is updating. So after update everything is successful. You can see the difference. So now it is updating. While updating, please be careful about not to get disconnected internet or any LAN cable disconnection. So when you see it upgrade successfully, then you try, you will find this. See, when I ring, you get the ringtone same time. So if you update the software, the problem of hanging will be solved. Thank you.